All right, we're gonna do a quick room tour of a hip ultra suite at Planet Hollywood. This is our first time having a room at Planet Hollywood. Only got one for one night, just to check it out. First thing right off the bat, you get two closets, a lot of closet space. That's the first one. And then you do get a Keurig, a little coffee machine. So, safe when you first walk in. And then a little mini fridge, which is always nice, especially if you have a lot of leftovers like we do. Alright, and then here's closet number 2. So pretty good amount of closet space when you put the two together. And then you have the king bed. Nothing unusual. You do have some drawer space here. Nice view, really nice view. Bellagio fountains. And a lot of open space. There's not a ton of furniture in here, but I guess there doesn't need to be. One TV. So I guess this is like a living room, bedroom combined, I guess. But you can see there's lots of space here. And again, probably the best thing about this room is the view. Look at that, pretty awesome. The Eiffel Tower right next to you. And the Bellagio fountains, and then the mountains in the background. More drawer space, plenty of drawer space. Big drawers, well, fairly big. There's 3 more there. Sitting area, foyer table, and then the bathroom is large, a lot of space. Again, not really sure what that corner over there is for. Seems like a lot of dead space to me, but okay. Nice size tub with the view. It's just a regular tub. It's not a, doesn't have any jets. One sink. Seems kind of odd for a suite, but one sink. A shower. Decent size. Nothing fancy. Hair dryer. And then the toilet, separate room. I guess that's a bidet, my wife said. I don't know. Suppose. Alright, so that's it. It's pretty big, pretty spacious, not a lot of furniture, so I think it makes it feel a lot bigger than it would if it had a lot of furniture in it. And again, nothing fancy, but it is clean and great views. So, thanks. See you in the next video.